Want to automate your email follow-ups with just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and run a Google Apps script that takes care of everything for you. First, copy the app script codes provided in the description below. Paste them into your Google Apps script editor one by one and save your project. This step sets up the entire automation process for you. Click the Run button at the top. This activates the script and links it directly to your Google Sheet. Your script will now work on the Google Sheet where you've listed your clients' names, email addresses, and their last contact dates. Once it's running, you'll notice a brand new menu at the top of your sheet called My Tools. Inside this menu, you'll find two powerful options: Open Date Updater and Send Email. First, Open Date Updater to view its clean and easy-to-use interface. You select only a few clients, then only those selected entries will have their dates updated. Now let's open the Send Email tool. Here you can add a subject, write your message, and even attach files. If no entries are selected, the email will be sent to all clients in the sheet. But if you select only a few rows, then the email will go only to those specific clients. Finally, click Send Message, and once you see Send Successfully, the email appears exactly as you sent it in your client. That's how you automate your email follow-ups with Google Apps Script. Simple, fast, and powerful. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more time-saving tutorials.